Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to make my spicy mayo. Alright, first we're going to go ahead and start with just a little bit of mayo. Right now I'm using, what is this, Duke's? But a lot of people use Kewpie mayo, especially if you're going to use this for things like Gamefoodie or Sushi. So I'm going to just get a little bit because I'm not making a lot. I'm going to take just a little bit of rice wine vinegar. Not too much. Probably about a teaspoon, to be honest. And we're gonna get a little bit of Sriracha, about a tablespoon of that. And then we're gonna mix that together. And let's see here. As you can see, that color's pretty good, you know. That'll give us that nice spicy mayo. But if you're like me, you like an extra little bit of heat. What I like to do is add gochujang to it, or basically Korean style red pepper flakes. This is something that you really cannot replace it with just like American red pepper flakes. It's very specific and has a very distinct flavor. So I just add a little bit to it, probably about a teaspoon. Like I said, because this stuff is specific to itself. It has its own flavor. And you just mix that in. Now, and this is good. This is your hot and spicy mayo. And then you can use this for sushi, gimbap. You can even use it for sandwiches if you like. So let me know what you think.